Hello, residents of Hidalgo County. This is a time in our lives when we must learn to let go of our self-interests. We are facing a world crisis, and we must make certain sacrifices. I know many of you have questions regarding our most recent emergency orders. Let me begin by clarifying that the novel coronavirus, or COVID-19, is a challenge like nothing we have experienced before. Our staff has done an exceptional job of developing and implementing a plan for an emergency unlike anything we have ever faced before. Your county commissioners, sheriff, DA, judges, mayors, council members, and school board members have rallied to preserve the health and safety of our community. And I could not be prouder of their hard work. Our healthcare professionals have been nothing short of exceptional in preparing us all for the unknown challenge that's ahead. That is why we, the Commissioners Court, felt the need to act. Yesterday, March 22nd of 2020, I issued modified emergency orders that will serve as a template for our response to COVID-19. It is not martial law. Hidalgo County is not in a lockdown. These orders are the formal statement of an objective, data-driven approach to the ongoing public health emergency. Our orders are based on the CDC recommendations. As such, mass gatherings and social events are limited to 10 persons or less. Non-essential retail establishments are closed. Places like gyms, spas, barbershops, and salons are luxuries. And unfortunately, the human interaction is too great to justify the risk of increased transmission. Restaurants and bars have closed their in-house dining, but are continuing to serve via drive-through, takeout, and delivery. Our grocery stores and other essential retail may continue to function, but please use your judgment. Be mindful of social distancing and follow recommended hygiene practices. We are asking residents to remain at home between the hours of 10 p.m. and 5 a.m. These times represent the peak hours for not only social gatherings, but also for law enforcement and first responders. This move will lessen the load on the local heroes that continue to serve us during this challenge. There are exceptions. If you work or are carrying out an essential function, you may do so. We're also protecting our most valuable via price controls or anti-price gouging rules. Essential goods will have their price indexed as of March 17th of 2020, and any unnecessary increases will be subject to prosecution. To help facilitate distance transactions via phone and internet, Hidalgo County will absorb any service fees. For the next 30 days, we will also waive all deadlines, evictions, and foreclosures. As for county operations, we're asking the public to limit non-essential visits to any county facility. The courthouse will be operating in compliance with order or guidance from our local Board of Judges, the Texas Supreme Court, and the Office of Court Administration for only essential or emergency proceedings. And all proceedings are encouraged to take place via remote communication. All non-essential travel is suspended All non-essential county events are suspended, and most facilities within county parks will be closed. Adult and child care facilities are advised to use extreme caution and at a minimum comply with all of the COVID-19 guidance as provided by the Texas Health and Human Services Commission. All county and local law enforcement agencies are authorized to enforce this order, and violators will be punished by a $1,000 fine or up to 180 days in jail. These orders will remain in effect for 14 days unless modified by earlier court action. For additional information, please visit our county website at hidalgocounty.us. Remember, we're all in this together. Our individual actions bear collective consequences. So let's do the right thing. Thank you, and may God bless.